A lot of things will be at stake when host India take on Australia in the 4-match test series starting on Friday at Chennai. The series will feature two formerly dominant sides of the past decade who are now going through a transition period at international level. One of the greatest rivalries on the field will be reliving once again when India faces Australia. The Border Gavaskar Trophy will be different from the entire India-Australia clashes were between experienced, well-oiled cricketing machines. Both teams have faced each other for 82 times, out of which India tested the victory for 20 times, while the Aussie side have won 38 times, whereas 23 matches were drawn. But when it comes to playing at home soil, Men in Blue has upper hand as they won 15 matches out of 42 matches played. Australia could only manage to win 12 matches. The Indian team can be said to be a team in transition. Having lost two consecutive away series in England and Australia by 0-4 margins, they had to face another defeat from the English side at home in 28 years. Among the Indian batting lot, the pressure will be on Sachin Tendulkar and Virendra Sehwag, both of whom have had poor spells of late. Tendulkar scored a commanding century in the Irani Cup and has an outstanding record against Australia both home and away, while Virendra Sehwag has better stats in Australia than in India. The biggest contrast in numbers though is for MS Dhoni, whose home average against Australia is more than twice his away average against them. However, in the bowling department, the presence of left-arm spinner Pragyan Ojha gives India a clear advantage in the spin department, while vying for the second slow bowler spot are two off-spinners, R. Ashwin and Harbhajan Singh. Both Ashwin and Harbhajan struggled against England last year. While things look extremely hazy for Men in Blue, they are not any different from the visitors either. One of the most inexperienced ever sides to be visiting the shores of India, Australia has only their skipper Michael Clarke and Shane Watson with previous experience of playing a test match in India. But it is the spin department that will worry the visitors. Neither Nathan Lyon, Xavier Doherty or Ashton Agar have showed up in the practice games that they are capable of running through a side. The bugle has been blown and the pre-series salvos have been fired from both sides, so hold your nerves as a tough battle is on the cards is expected when India faces Australia.